Want to keep your PDF files secure with a password without needing Acrobat? You're in the perfect spot. Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to show you how to protect your PDFs using the PDF24 Toolbox app, a free tool for Mac and Windows. Let's dive in and make your files safe and sound. First, let's get the PDF24 Toolbox app. Head to PDF24.com link in the description. Click Download and choose the version for your computer, Windows, or Mac. Once installed, open the app. You'll see a dashboard with Protect PDF ready to use. If you're enjoying this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Passionate About Tech. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. Let's keep going. Click Protect PDF from the main screen. Click Choose Files or drag your file into the app. Select your file and click Open. The file appears now. Enter a user password in the password to open the PDF field. Make it something strong. Add an owner password in the Password for Permissions field to control edits. Check boxes like printing and modification of content to set permissions. Uncheck what you don't want others to do. Click Protect PDF Files to lock it. Once protected, click Save to download the locked file. I'll name it Protected File 1. Save it to your desktop. This free method is great for sensitive docs like contracts or personal notes. Now your files are secure and private. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips. Keep creating and have fun.